Okay, guys, moving on to part 11. Go for it.
Fear.
Keep going. You're doing such a good job.
Fear had. Fear having been placed.
Well, in line 2, it's just a perfect passive verb. Fear was placed.
Oh.
Do you want me to?
Sure.
Okay, fear not yet having been placed.
Hey, Colin, what's the difference between 2 and 3 in terms of construction?
2 and 3. 2 is, or 3 is a participle. Is it a perfect passive participle?
Yeah. And what case is metu in 3 versus 2?
Metu. Oh, metu is. Is it? It's ablative and it's nominative in 1 and 2.
Oh, so if you have it in the ablative in 3 with a participle, that's probably also ablative. I wonder.
So it's an ablative absolute.
Oh, absolutely. I was waiting all day to say that. So, what is the literal translation of 3?
So with fear not yet having been placed.
Yes, and I think we decided that posito is kind of like not just placed, but put aside in this instance. Okay, Frank, number 4.
Okay. Look, with fear not yet put aside.
Yes. Okay, number 5. What's up with this nay?
To surely not.
Well, it's not a question, but it's a nay here is like the opposite of ut. Ut would introduce a purpose clause in order to do something.
Mm-hmm.
So nay plus the subjunctive with fallet would be so that something not happen.
So that she does not deceive.
Yes, good. Okay, Colin, number 6.
So that she does not deceive her lover.
Okay.
Okay, I'll take on the 7. Look, with fear not yet put aside, she returned so that she does not deceive her lover.
Yeah, she doesn't want to trick the guy who's waiting for her. This would all totally be different if you could text.
Yeah.
She like trembled in fear in there for a decent time though.
And, he would just say, on my way. Right? Something like that. And then she could say, like, is that you? Lion. She
There's
could
a
take a
lion.
picture.
Be careful.
Oh, drop my scarf. All of these things.
What is this, like real-time text messaging services? Like as they're sprinting away from the lion, lion there, please be careful.
Right.
Winky face, winky face.
Absolutely. Okay, so we are on... Are we on 7 or 8?
8, I just did 7.
Okay. I know this is a tough one.
She looks for.
Okay. Number 9.
She looks for the boy.
Okay. Ovid showing off his astounding sense of what different body parts do.
So is this like another accusative of respect?
No, it's not even accusative.
Oh, okay, sorry. I was thinking body parts in poetry.
Okay.
Sorry, my brain. So like, she looks for the boy with her eye.
Yes, that's what you do. You use your eyes.
I wonder why
To
it's
look for-
specified.
Maybe if he's doing this to draw a picture. Remember how we talked about how Virgil really, he's very cinematic in the way he draws things. Maybe if this were an action flick, they would zoom in on her furrowed brows and eyes as she is looking with her hand over her eyebrows into the dark night for him, right? I think he's just doing it to be poetic. Okay, next.
She looks for the young man with her eyes and soul.
What does that mean?
He's her soulmate.
He's her soulmate?
It's poetic.
It's poetic. Maybe she's excited, a little bit afraid. Okay, go ahead.
She is eager.
She is eager to tell.
Oh, so guessed it can take a complementary infinitive. That sounds like a question. She's eager to tell. That sounds like a grammar-y thing. Okay, go ahead.
how great she is eager to tell.
Yeah, and I think, well, Quanta is the direct object of Narare, guessed it.
But she's eager to tell how great.
So she is eager to tell how great is the danger.
Yeah. And then 16. Yeah, that's right.
Okay. She's eager to tell how great the danger. Well, I'm going to process this for a second.
Okay. I'll pause it while you process. Let me know when you're ready. Well, Frank runs away. We'll tell you what he just said. What did he say?
He said, she wanted or was eager to tell him how great the danger that she avoided.
So, that's exactly right. Do you guys recognize the construction we have with quantaque vitaret curricula?
Is it...
I'll pause while you ponder. Okay, guys, this is what's going on. You have dirty pool there. We tar it should be we ta wear it, which would make it perfect subjunctive. And the reason we have a perfect subjunctive is because quanta is a how something. So you've got an indirect question. It's a question word. She
Okay.
wanted to say, how ginormous? Like, I guess if you said the question, how great was that danger?
Oh.
That's what she wanted to say. And it's not an indirect statement because that's accusative infinitive, but the presence of the question word makes you do it as an indirect question.
So, quick question. She's asking this question.
But an indirect question, you don't always just ask. It just has a question word.
Okay.
She wanted to say how great it was. And it's sneaky because the Latin term indirect question makes you think
Okay,
you're
yeah.
actually asking a question. But what you're actually doing is using a question. You're talking about someone else's statement that contains a question word.
So, like, it'd be like she was eager to tell how great the danger she had avoided.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, that makes a little more sense now.
Right? Oh, come on. If you thought that you were going to get eaten by a lion, wouldn't you want to rush out and tell your beloved
How bravely you ran away.
how bravely you'd run away? Or if you narrowly avoided maybe a car accident on the way home from school, wouldn't you be like, Mom, the semi was coming and I'm fine?
I feel like she'd blow it out of proportion.
No. If we're talking about blowing things out of proportion, that would be Pyramus. He found her scarf and stabbed himself in the ilia.
I think my mom may pull a penis, so I would probably. It's up to the other person.
Oh, well, she stabbed me.
Okay. Any other questions on that part before we keep going?
No, just clarify. It's viteret.
Wita ret. And
Yeah.
this is Ovid taking off the ER.
Let me fix that.
Wita wear it. So it should be Vitaverit. But come on. He was probably like, guys, I'm so close to having the perfect line.
So
Oh.
shortcuts were made.
It happens. Okay, next victim.
Give me a second. I broke this.
It's
so
okay,
I need to
Hoffman's got
tie
it.
So it doesn't...
You keep tying.
And she recognizes.
Oh, the last time somebody recognized something, it was a bloody garment on the ground.
She recognizes the place.
Oh, okay. That's not so bad.
And as she recognized the place,
Okay. And as she recognized the place and the shape. 21.
We're going the wrong way.
That's okay.
And as she recognizes the place and the form under
That was a long yawn.
I feel like you guys are doing an amazing job for being 10th semester, or 10th period, second semester seniors.
You're trying.
Okay, she recognized the shape in the tree. I think we would probably say of the tree. But she's looking and she's like, there's the shape and it looks like that tree. 22, Frank.
And as she recognized the shape of the tree, and like saw, no. And
I'll pause while you think. All right, Frank, go for it.
and as she recognized the shape of the tree having been seen,
Yeah. And the place. Like, I'm at the right spot. That looks like the right tree. Right? Big,
Yeah.
ginormous, tall, lots of berries. Hoffman, 23. I know you can do it.
Thus.
Wow, you're a man of few syllables and much brooding. Seek color.
Thus, the color.
Okay, Frank.
Thus, the color of the fruit.
Oh, now you've got a tough one. Seek facet. Incertum color pommy. Thinking.
Thus the color of the fruit
Makes someone feminine, accusative singular this way.
makes her uncertain.
Yeah, why would the color of...
Oh, because like she's like, okay, that seems to be the tree, but like it's a different color. So like when
Yeah.
she'd be probably confused.
Right, I just came out of this cave. I'm so excited to see my guy. I gotta go meet him by the tree with the tall white berries. Wait, those aren't white berries? Okay. Go ahead, Colin.
Can I just do the last three?
Go for it.
Okay.
Such a brave soul.
She doubts whether this is it, almost,
Yeah. Okay, we'll see.
or
what
it is this.
Yeah, she doubts whether this is the right tree. It's this tree. Feminine, right? Height, sit.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, and on the AM there, again, it's an indirect question. That's a question word, whether or not. So we've got two indirect questions in this tiny passage. Oh, I feel like a grammar nerd alert. Beware, Latin students everywhere. Okay, Frank, you want the original?
Yeah, sure. I'll take a shot at it. I'll take like a. Okay. So look. With fear having not yet put aside, she returned so that she would not deceive her lover.
Yes.
She looks for him like with her eye and with the young. She looks for the young man with her eye and soul, like his soulmates. Then it's she's eager to tell how great how great the danger she avoided. Yeah, how great the danger she avoided. And as she recognized the shape, as she recognized the place, like with the shape of the tree having been seen,
Okay.
that would be the color of the fruit makes her uncertain. She doubts whether this is it, this is the place.
Da da da. Nice job, Frank. You okay there, Hoffman? Okay. And we will stop. Ooh, I like 131 for scanning purposes because it has some stuff that freaks out people who are new to dactylic hexameter. So I'm going to pause this while everybody else goes to do 131. Actually, I will scan it without talking. I will mute the microphone and you can see me do it. And then we'll chat about it. Okay, Alex, you have the red pen. You're going to scan 130 on here and lead us through it. Or you can just scan it. This one. Yeah, that one.
Okay. Am I supposed to say anything?
You can if you want to. If not, they can guess and read your brilliant mind.
Okay.
Pause while we pick up the real pencil, which we're not going to use on the iPad. Oh, so you go through and you mark all your long marks first that you know. Is that what you're doing?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're marking the ones that are long by position and nature first. That's interesting. Then you've got the elision there because of the vowel and vowel rule. Interesting. That's very different than the way I do it, but I like that you got it right. So, ut quello ket visa cognos gitten arbore formam. Yay, okay. Colin and Frank, did you guys do your rock, paper, scissors thing?
Frank did it. Frank won.
Frank won. So does that mean Frank is doing the line above it or not?
Extend a leaf to Colin.
So, Frank won, and Colin now gets to do the line above this.
Okay.
Talk it through.
The U doesn't count as a vowel, so it gets skipped over. So then short, short, long, 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 short, short. Then we have the end, which should be the same if I did it right. Cool. So yeah, you have dactyl, spondy, spondy, dactyl.
Okay, do you want to try to read it?
No. Pronunciation is not my strong suit.
Quantaque vitaret narrare pericula gestit. It's okay. I think that Latin teachers listening will be scoffing at my pronunciation anyways. But we can do that. We tried. Okay, Frank won the rock, paper, scissors, which means he gets to do the line above.
All right. So I'm just gonna go back
That's
here.
the sound of a really bad iPad case sliding across the table. Okay, go for it,
So we
Frank.
just gotta take out the end ones is what I do first. That's there. That's dactyl.
No, I'm just watching.
Oh, sorry. You just got real close. It's long, short, short. That's long.
It's a J.
That's a J. Oh, I forgot how to.
Erase is this thing.
That's a J. So instead, I go over here. This would be illusion. So.
Well, no, the first one and the second word is, or the third word is a J.
UNM.
Oh, okay.
That's what I meant, sorry.
I thought. Okay.
So why does that J matter?
Because that makes it so this is long.
By position.
Yeah. So that'll be short, short. That's dactyl. And then that'll be long quay. So UNM quay. So that would be short.
Ooh, let's see if he gets it.
No, wait, hold on. I'm a smart young lad. I know what elision is. Okay, so since it's elision, we'll take out the first one. Boop. And we'll make this thing short, short. No, it's long. Short, short. This is wrong.
Well, it was interesting because I have no idea what sort of messy, scary stuff you did down there. The
Yeah.
rest of it looked okay.
Wait, I think the beginning's right.
I think I just messed up at the end.
Right, the ones that are supposedly so easy that they're automatic. But let's see what we
I
do
find
there.
ways, Mrs. Hahn. It's
It's
talent.
okay.
It's a talent, really.
All right, so let's see. Let's look at the end.
So this is short, short. So that'd be long, short, short. Where it's long. Yeah.
Right, long X. So,
Yeah.
so that's what it was. You did something messy down here. So you got the elision here
Yeah.
again. Why is this elision?
Because it ends with a vowel, starts with a vowel.
Vowel space vowel. Good. Ila redit UNM cock. I'm reading upside down.
Let me just help you out here.
UN. Nem coculis ani. I can't do it. Ila redit UNM coculis animoque requirit. That's funny. Okay, so she's not dead yet. We'll see what happens tomorrow.